Planet Earth teems with life in countless forms. We see diverse plants and animals from towering trees to tiny insects. However, there's a hidden world often overlooked, the world of parasites. Parasites are organisms that live in or on another organism, called the host. They obtain nutrients from their hosts, often causing harm in the process. Parasitism is a fascinating and complex lifestyle. It's a delicate balance between taking enough to survive and not killing the host. Parasites have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in their hosts. These adaptations include specialized structures for attachment and nutrient absorption. They also have complex life cycles and strategies to evade host defenses. The study of parasites is called parasitology. It's a crucial field of biology with implications for human health, agriculture, and wildlife conservation. Understanding parasites helps us combat diseases, protect our food sources, and preserve biodiversity. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of parasites. We'll explore their origins, evolution, and the impact they have on life on Earth. We'll journey back in time to uncover the story of the first parasite. We'll also examine the diversity of parasitic life forms and their remarkable adaptations. To uncover the origins of parasitism, we must travel billions of years back in time. Life on Earth began in the primordial oceans, with single-celled organisms. These early life forms were simple, but they set the stage for the incredible diversity we see today. As life evolved and diversified, new ecological niches emerged. Organisms developed new ways to interact with each other and their environment. This led to the rise of various symbiotic relationships, where different species live closely together. Parasitism likely arose from these early symbiotic interactions. It's thought that some organisms, in their quest for resources, began to exploit others. This exploitation eventually evolved into a parasitic relationship, where one organism benefited at the expense of another. The exact timing of the first parasite's emergence remains a mystery. Fossil evidence of early parasites is scarce. However, scientists can infer their presence from the evolutionary history of modern parasites. By comparing the genetic makeup of different parasites, researchers can trace their lineage back to a common ancestor. While we may never know the exact identity of the first parasite, it was likely a single-celled organism. This ancient microbe probably inhabited the oceans where life was abundant. It might have been a bacterium or a protist, simple organisms without a nucleus. This early parasite likely targeted other single-celled organisms as hosts. It might have attached to their surface or even lived inside them. The parasite would have drawn nutrients from its host, gradually weakening it. Over time, this parasitic relationship would have driven evolutionary changes in both the parasite and the host. The parasite would have evolved better ways to exploit its host, while the host would have developed defenses to resist the parasite. This constant arms race between parasite and host is a hallmark of parasitism. It's a dynamic interplay that has shaped the evolution of both partners over millions of years. Parasitism has proven to be a remarkably successful strategy in the game of life. It has evolved independently numerous times across different branches of the tree of life. Today, parasites are found in virtually every ecosystem on Earth. The success of parasites stems from their incredible adaptability. They have evolved a dazzling array of strategies to find, infect, and thrive in their hosts. These adaptations are as diverse as the parasites themselves. One key adaptation is the ability to evade host defenses. Parasites have developed ways to camouflage themselves from the host's immune system. They might mimic the host's own cells or release chemicals that suppress the immune response. Another crucial adaptation is the ability to reproduce and spread efficiently. Many parasites have complex life cycles involving multiple hosts. They might produce vast numbers of offspring, increasing their chances of finding a new host. Section 5. From ancient oceans to modern hosts. The spread of parasites. From their humble beginnings in the ancient oceans, parasites have spread to every corner of the globe. They inhabit diverse environments, from the depths of the sea to the heights of mountains. As life on Earth evolved and diversified, so too did parasites. They colonized new hosts, including plants, fungi, and animals. Today, parasites infect virtually every major group of organisms on Earth. The spread of parasites has been influenced by various factors, including continental drift, climate change, and the evolution of new host species. Human activities such as trade and travel have also played a role in spreading parasites to new regions. The interconnectedness of life on Earth means that the story of parasites is intertwined with the story of their hosts. Understanding the evolution and ecology of parasites provides valuable insights into the history of life on our planet. Section 6. A world of examples: parasites in every ecosystem. The world of parasites is astonishingly diverse. It includes a vast array of organisms from microscopic protozoa to macroscopic worms. Each parasite species has its own unique adaptations and life cycle, making them fascinating subjects of study. In aquatic ecosystems, parasitic copepods are common. These tiny crustaceans attach to fish, feeding on their blood and tissues. In terrestrial environments, ticks and fleas are well-known parasites. They transmit diseases to animals and humans, causing a significant impact on public health. Plants are also susceptible to a wide range of parasites. Fungal pathogens can infect crops, causing devastating losses in agriculture. Parasitic plants such as mistletoe can weaken and even kill their host trees. Section 7. The human story: our long history with parasites. Humans have a long and complex relationship with parasites. Throughout our evolutionary history, we have coexisted with a variety of parasitic organisms. Some of these parasites have had a profound impact on human health and culture. Malaria, caused by a parasitic protozoan, has plagued humanity for centuries. It continues to be a major public health concern in many parts of the world. Intestinal worms, such as hookworms and tapeworms, are also common human parasites, particularly in areas with poor sanitation. In some cases, parasites have even influenced human evolution. The presence of malaria is thought to have driven the selection for the sickle cell trait, which provides some protection against the disease. Section 8. Parasites and disease: a complex relationship. While the word parasite often evokes negative connotations, it's important to remember that not all parasites cause disease. In fact, many parasites have little to no impact on their host's health. However, some parasites can cause serious diseases in humans, animals, and plants. These parasitic diseases can lead to a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to severe illness and even death. Understanding the relationship between parasites and disease is crucial for developing effective control and treatment strategies. Scientists are constantly working to unravel the complex interactions between parasites, their hosts, and the environment. Section 9. The importance of understanding parasites. The study of parasites is essential for a variety of reasons. It helps us protect human health, safeguard our food sources, and conserve biodiversity. In medicine, parasitology plays a vital role in diagnosing, treating, and preventing parasitic diseases. Understanding the life cycles, transmission pathways, and drug resistance mechanisms of parasites is crucial for developing effective control measures. In agriculture, parasitology is essential for protecting crops and livestock from parasitic pests. By understanding the ecology of plant and animal parasites, we can develop sustainable farming practices that minimize the impact of these organisms. Section 10. The future of parasitism: challenges and opportunities. The field of parasitology faces numerous challenges and opportunities in the 21st century. Climate change, globalization, and emerging infectious diseases pose new threats to human, animal, and plant health. As the climate warms, the geographic range of many parasites is expanding. This could lead to the emergence of parasitic diseases in new regions, posing a threat to vulnerable populations. Globalization and increased international travel are also facilitating the spread of parasites across borders. This highlights the need for international collaboration and surveillance to detect and respond to emerging parasitic threats. Section 11. Conclusion: parasites, an integral part of life on Earth. Parasites are often overlooked, but they are an integral part of life on Earth. They have shaped the evolution of their hosts, influenced the structure of ecosystems, and continue to impact human health and well-being. Despite their often negative reputation, parasites play important roles in maintaining ecological balance. They can regulate host populations, influence biodiversity, and even drive the evolution of new traits. Understanding parasites is essential for addressing global challenges such as disease control, food security, and biodiversity conservation. By appreciating the complexity and importance of these often maligned creatures, we can gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life on our planet.